Hello guys, this is Kherk Roldan, and in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can verify emails for your cold email outreach. You can verify even thousands or even millions of emails, and I'm also going to recommend this verification. And this is very important that you need to do, and here are the reason. Number one, it improves email delivery. Okay? So if you send emails to invalid or non-existent address, it can lead to higher bounce rate. Okay? You need to remember that we have an email service provider. They monitor your bounce rate and also higher rate signals that you may be sending to spam. And by doing that, this can damage your sender reputation and decrease your overall deliverability. If you notice, there are a lot of people emailing you every single day and they tend to add it in spam or junk folder. The reason of that is that they don't have a good email deliverability. So that's also the reason why we need to verify all the emails, so it will add in the inbox, not in spam or junk folder. Okay? Second, it increases open rates and engagement rates. So when you have email list, they are clean, they are up to date, your messages are more likely to be open and engaged with. Okay? And verifying leads, they ensures you're targeting real people who could potentially respond or take action. Number three, it can prevent your domain from getting blacklisted. So for example, if you repeatedly send emails to invalid or non-existent address, your domain or IP address can be flagged as spammers, guys. Okay? And potentially,
presenting your one-stop shop for SEO, GMB, link building, content creation, web design, and more. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. Enjoy 40 to 60% off for our services. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. The best dashboard for SEOs, agencies, and freelancers.
they get blacklisted. So this would make it difficult to reach any inboxes in the future. Okay? And even from a valid leads. So that's why. Number 4, it enhances data accuracy and insights. So email verification, they ensures that your data is accurate, and here they will allow you to gather meaningful insights from your outreach. You can better analyze your performance metrics like the bounce rate, open rates, and conversion. I'm also going to show you that later on. All right? So that's the reason why you need to verify email leads that you have. Okay? So let's say if you have email from Apollo or LinkedIn or Google, or if you have someone that do it for you, you need to verify them. So I use a lot of email verification tools. Some of them, they are good. Some of them, they are bad. But this one, I use this for a long time now because they are really good tool for me, and they verify it for a cheaper rate compared to the other tools, and the result was really great. No? So yeah, you need to find the best for you guys. I'm not saying you only need to use this, but for my own testing, they are really good. Okay? And you can also check their pricing. So these are their monthly subscription rate. So for example, if you want to verify 25,000, you will only pay $28. So the higher, the lesser the rate are. So if you want to verify 1 million leads, then you need to buy it here. And they are also very fast, guys. They can verify your email faster. So if you want to try it, you can just also pay as you go here. Like they can verify 10,000 email for only $14. Right? They are really good. So by doing that, you can make sure that you are only sending emails to a verified email address. All right? So I'm going to demonstrate you here, guys, how you can do it. Let me log in inside. Now I have 10,000 credits, so I can verify 10,000 plus email address. All right? You can also import from MailChimp, Constant Contact, Mailjet. Guys, by the way, if you want to use this, my email verifier, I want you to use my tools so I can also earn, right? Because I created this video. Yeah, but yeah, that's optional if you want to or not. but I really appreciate if you will do it. Okay, so yeah, just go here. You can also go to buy credits. They have an offer, guys, by the way. If you want a special discount, if you buy more, then they can provide you special discount. They're really good. Okay, so yeah, let's say for example this one. I have a gym SEO agency. I'm also focusing with dietary, yoga, and anything that related to that. And I have the leads already, guys. Okay, so right now you need to follow it. You need to add a CSV file format, guys. All right. So they will work. Just follow this. Please ensure that your file you upload is a comma separated values file with no blank lines, etc., etc. Okay, so if you confirm that, just click yes. Let me show you.
I'm sorry to cut you while watching my video, but if you have a brand, a business, SaaS, or any tools that you want to advertise in this section, email us at hello@kherkroldanseo.com.
Here inside, guys, before I'm going to upload there. All right, so I have this information. So you need to have the company name, the website, the contact name, the first name. This is very important, guys. Okay, the email address, you need to verify that one. This one that I'm trying to say to you earlier, they are the decision maker. Address are not really important, but you can also customize that. That is fit to email to the address if you want to. The country, what country you're targeting, the phone number, you can also call them. And this is the best part because you can also know the revenue. All right, so this is also a great way for you to know how much they are earning per year, per month. So that's also what I'm recommending to you guys. Know the revenue in the client evaluation or niche evaluation. If they are really good for you, if they can afford, then use that, outreach them so they don't have any problem. If they buy your SEO services, if they cost it 2,000, 3,000 per month, then yeah, you can also see their employees here, but not really important. And then the industry. Okay, all right, and then I'm going to check if they are CSV, save it there. All right, once done, go back here, find that file, and then import them here. Yes, upload. So it's uploading now, guys. And then start process now. Make sure you have credits and it's uploading now. Okay, so what you can do right now is to wait. It could be finished for a couple of minutes, depends on how many you added here. Here you can see that it's importing your emails now. Okay, you need to go back here to complete the validation verification. So basically they tested your email, check it if they are really good. All right, and then I'm going to post this video and get back later on after the data check is done. All right, so the verification was completed. I also added another emails here. So let's start with dietitian. Here I added 2023 email. And then here's the credit use 1026 because it didn't count the unknown email and duplicate email. So as you can see in here, guys, we have only a total of 352 email from 2023. So there's a lot of things that is going on there. Like for example, the email was already deleted. They didn't renew the website or the domain, or they copied the wrong email, or the email is not working anymore. So that's why we only have 352 from 2023. And also it matters where you buy the emails. Okay, so we have 458 invalid. So these catch all emails, they're also known as wildcard email, and this email address belong to a catch all mail server. So for example, let's say the catch-all domain is yourwebsite.com. So you only have email address for your 3 employees like Kherk, Esther, and Monica, for example. So as well as a catch-all mailbox like contact or info at yourdomain.com. So a person could send an email to info at yourwebsite.com or Esther or anything, and the email would land in the contact inbox. So you may be thinking that this defeats the purpose of email address in the first place, but a casual email servers were created with the best intention. So there are a lot of companies using or use catch-all emails, but not guarantee that they are all right, they are all working. So I don't recommend using this catch-all email. I only focus to valid email address, because take note, it also matters the delivery of your email address or of your campaign, if they are good or not. Okay, so we need to focus on valid emails only. All right, so I downloaded the valid only email. So as you've seen this one, they are all valid, and I can now add this to instantly, which we're going to use for email sending. Okay, so yeah, don't worry, because we have millions of email address. So that's what I'm telling you guys. I also use different email providers that has a good success rate, no? So better to have that one as well. Or if you have someone who can do it manually, or to verify the email for free or not expensive one, then it's also good for you. But this one, don't skip this method. Okay, so that's it for now. By the way, I have a training on how to set up a domain, how to buy an email address, how to set up instantly, and email outreaching as well. If you avail the SEO Mastery course, it's included there. Just go to searchenginemastery.com. Or if you want to have a partnership, so let's say for example, if you have clients in SEO or you're an agency owner, you want us to fulfill all the delivery, then go to this website, kherk.seo.com, white label SEO. We have 50% off and free SEO. Okay, so schedule a call here, and see you on my next videos. Bye bye, take care.